Hey guys, so I'm back with these cherry sweet nails. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my nails with 2 coats of Can Do Attitude from Essie. It's one of my favourite greens. And then with my Moyou London Love Is 03 plate, I stamped the cherry with a black stamping polish. So leaving it on the stamper, I'm just filling in the cherries with a red polish using a dotting tool. And then with a light green polish, I'm just painting the leaves. So I just applied some foil glue to my nail to create a sticky base. And then I just stamped that dry decal on my nail. And then with that same red polish I used for the cherries, I just stamped the Your Cherry Sweet from the same plate. And stamped that on my ring finger. And then with that same polish, I'm just stamping this cherry pattern from that plate. And then with the dot tool, I'm just taking off all the stems, so that all I'm left with is the little circles of the cherries. And again with a foil glue to create a sticky base. And then I just stamped them on my nail. And then I went back in with a green stamping polish and I repeated the process of stamping the cherries, but this time I removed the cherries and kept the stems. And I just stamped that on my nail. And then I just did some cleanup with a brush and acetone and a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these cherry sweet nails. I painted these ages ago and I forgot about them on my hard drive, so that's why my methods are quite old. If you enjoyed these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.